try putting the shelf up at the top level this time. Last time the bottom of the cookies got burnt. There we go. Alright, let's get this on the stove. Alright, warming it up. Alright, well, we're waiting for the oven to get up to temperature. We're going to make the first batch of cookies. So I'm making the Toll House Chocolate Chip Lovers cookies again. I like these ones. These are really good. This pan's only good for about 6 at a time. But it's okay. I'm patient. Alright, so the oven is definitely working better, scented better on the stove. We've already shot past the 350 degree temperature goal here. We're almost up to 400, so let me go grab the cookies. Oh. That was one big run-on sentence, wasn't it? Anyway, alright, let's get these in. That's it. Yeah, beautiful. And once again, we wait. Alright, the first batch is ready to come out of the oven. See how they came out. Oh yeah. Looks good. Maybe a little overdone. Alright, yeah. I definitely cooked them a little too long. They're not bad though. I mean, they're definitely burnt even on the top, so I know putting it up at the top level helped. It still tastes good though. A little burnt, but they taste good. Okay, it's about 10 o'clock at night now, so time to be settling down, but first I want to go over and say hi to the peepers. Guess we got a little bit more rain coming in at about 11, so I'm going to get out now, go say hi to the peepers, then I'll head back and start getting ready to go to bed for the night. I know you can't see much here, but listen to all the peepers and listen to all the frogs. Oh boy, my hair's a mess now from wearing the hat all day. Anyway, yeah, I got the heat on again here, warming the van up and ready to settle in for the night. But yeah, it was nice getting out just to hear the peepers. But anyway, I'm starting to get pretty tired there. I just had to edit a big yawn out of this video. Anyway, I think I'm going to settle into bed here. I guess we'll just see you in the morning here. We'll continue the video there for the morning stuff here too. So it was a fun day here. Got to make up some fried chicken tonight, and got to mix up some cookies, even if I did overcook them a little bit again. But believe it or not, I am getting better at it, trying to figure out the right system for that little oven. Anyway, all right, like I said, we'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, good morning. I'm sitting in the back of the van here, looking outside, having my coffee here. Getting ready to, unfortunately, head home again. Seems like I just got here. 2 night trips are just too short. But anyway, so I was originally thinking of making myself some French toast this morning, but where I have to pack up and clean the dishes and everything else, I think I'm going to keep it simple. I think I'm just going to end up making myself a bowl of oatmeal and heading home. I'm only an hour or so from home anyway, so why go through all that much effort? have something quick to eat. I can throw the chocolate chip cookies I made earlier and top on the front seat so they're within reach. And if I get hungry on the drive home, I can grab one of those. So I'll get something good to eat when I get home again, I guess. So anyway, I'm gonna sit here for a few more minutes, enjoy my coffee, and we're gonna get out and start getting things packed up, I guess. I'll have my oatmeal shortly too anyway. Just thought I got one of those pre-boiled oatmeals. That'll work. It's not great, but it'll be fine. Kind of wanted French toast, but it's a lot of work when I gotta pack up and go home. Yeah, my hair's a mess. Anyway, I've kindly got out of the van, stretching out a bit here. Time to start getting all this stuff put away and get ready to head home. Yeah, like I said, 2 nights on these trips. These 2-night trips just are too short. You don't get enough time to really relax and enjoy yourself here, because you get limited time to do stuff. But oh well. We'll have some longer trips coming up soon, but unfortunately after this trip Jack's going to be parked for about a month, so we'll probably do some more project work on that, on Jack too, and do some more work on the rust. I want to try to see if I can get the new wire pass-through system in place if I can, things like that. So I got some work to do. The sooner we get some of this exterior stuff done, the sooner we can get to the interior stuff and start building the cabinets. Well, maybe I can stop losing things inside the van. I was digging through the whole van today, this morning, looking for my baby wipes that I use for giving myself a quick clean in the morning, because they had fallen under the bed someplace. And couldn't find my 4-cup coffee filters at all this morning. I don't know what happened to those. I had to use the 12-cup ones, so the just a little pour through a coffee maker thing. So I keep losing things inside a very small space. We gotta stop that. So we gotta get the cabinets built so I have places to put everything. Anyway, alright. I'll finish stretching here and have some more coffee and then start packing up the site. So the site's all cleaned up. Everything's put away. I'm ready to take off. I'm just gonna go for one last little hike through the place, you know, throw the trash in the dumpster. No sense in making this more complicated. So, hike down, put this in the trash, and we take off. Head home. I got work I gotta get done. Unfortunately, I need to make money so I can take more of these trips. But of course, as usual, if you would like to help out, you can buy me a gallon of gas, because gas is going to be expensive this year, and again, it's already going up. So, if you want to help me along my way here, link is down below. Basically, it's buymeacoffee.com/LWWolf, and everything helps. So if you want to help me continue these adventures and get bigger and better adventures, then buy me a gallon of gas. Anyway, alright. Get this trash down and we'll be on our way. Everything is packed up. Weather station's put away. Everything's put away. Pretty much ready to hit the road now. It was a fun trip. Too short, but it was fun. Too soggy too. One last look at that little pond out back here. It's a nice thing to have right outside my campsite, at least when the mosquitoes aren't out yet for the season. Once they start coming out, then yeah, no, I don't want to be here. But it's a nice site. Nice and quiet down here. That van came back again last night too. It's kind of strange. They come in late at night, leave early in the morning, and they don't hang around and actually enjoy the campsite. So I'm guessing that van may just have been somebody doing some construction work in the area or something, and they're just coming up here to stay overnight. They may have been a work van. I've seen that done before too. People will stay in a campground in their van rather than a motel, and just sleep in their van at night and then head off to work again. So he may have headed back off to work, and then he'll probably go home at the end of the day instead for the weekend. So anyway, we're all packed up. Boy, this lens needs a good cleaning, doesn't it? And it figures just as I'm getting ready to go, that's when the sun starts coming out. You know what? Today is actually going to be a nice day and I got to go home. Unfortunately, I can't even hang around because I've got work I got to get back to. Got two support calls now they got to take care of when I get out of here, so I can't win. Anyway, alright, we're going to leave you guys with some dash cam footage of this beautiful state park as I drive out, and then we'll catch you in the next one. So remember, slow down and enjoy life, and thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.